Meaning of Fort Lauderdale.
Fort Lauderdale.
Fort Lauderdale.
Fort Lauderdale.
Fort Lauderdale. Fort Lauderdale is a city located in the state of Florida, United States. The name Fort Lauderdale comes from a series of forts built by the United States during the Second Seminole War. The city is known for its beaches, boating canals, and nightlife. It is also home to the Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport in Port Everglades, one of the busiest cruise ship ports in the world. Overall, Fort Lauderdale is a popular tourist destination with a rich history and many attractions for visitors to enjoy.